So hey guys, this side Mahesh, and we are going to see the roadmap for beginners for the Devops. So I've just given the some prompts to the ChatGPT when it has given some responses like what is the roadmap, somewhere you will like to start. So all things we'll to discuss in this video. First, we need to learn what is a DevOps. DevOps is basically a development operations where we are merging the development with the our operations. We need to perform some of tasks. And basically, we are do you automate the process what we are doing in the background. So it will automatically by using the DevOps some concepts, it will automatically do our process. So first thing what we need to understand what is a DevOps basic like why it is used for the DevOps in nowadays. What is the use pros or cons you need to understand. So here the ChatGPT has given some for a DevOps concept like we need to learn the fundamentals of the DevOps like uh, collaboration, automation, efficiency in the development cycles and operations. And they need to understand the DevOps life cycle, which includes the development, testing, deployment, monitoring, and feed the all these things. Mostly, this one is one of the most important thing, basically deployment. Like, what strategy are you following when deploying the our product or project? And after that, we need to monitor on that scene that what is the CPU heap, heap memory is going up or down. After that, they need to learn some key concepts like related to our codings. So, so whether you are in the development or the casting or any of the IT field, which you have the basic knowledge about the coding, you can learn the Python. Especially, I'm just recommending to learn the Python and Dash. It's one of the most useful technology in the for DevOps. And also, you need to learn the basics of the Git and how the Git works, what work commands you need to fetch up on the APIs. And the third step, you need to learn that about the Linux fundamental details like there are different scenarios in that one. Sometimes you have to change it path, move one file to another file, merging into the file. So you need to learn the file liberation system. After that, the process management system, like what I process you need, at what time, which process you would run, like table, PS. We will later learn, we later learn all these concepts. As of now, we are just giving the roadmap for the DevOps. After that, we need to learn the permissions, what the permissions we have to give, like it's a mobile user or super user or able user. So according to the, we need to give the permissions. And here's a networking concept like how to create the VPC, submittings, masking, all the things you need to learn in the networking concepts. And here's the understanding of the continuous integrations and the continuous tunable. So in this stack, you need to learn the CI about the basics of the CI, how the CI works, what is the C continuous integration, and what is a continuous delivery. For continuous integration delivery, there are one of the most famous sourcing tools we can use like Jenkins, GitLab, Travis. Most of the organizations are using the Jenkins because it's very easy to use and centralized plugins are inbuilt in there. And the organization as well currently using the Jenkins for the integrations. And after that, you need to learn the what is Dockerizations, how it works, what is the dependencies, and what is the Docker file. We later learn all these concepts in the future. And after that, you have to learn the Kubernetes, like what is the promotes to deployments and services you need to learn or manage. What is the orchestration, how you need to create the orchestrations, and what is the sixth step is skill. We are the sixth step to need to learn the Terraform or the what is a Terraform. Basically, it's the infrastructure where we are writing our code in a particular file and they are giving some commands to our applications or project that in this step being are we to perform this type of task. Uh, and Terraform and similar both are used for the infrastructure, but most of the organizations who are using the Terraform, it is very convenient to use. And you need to learn the any of the platforms like AWS, Azure, or GCP. Currently, we are using the AWS, so I'm little so on the familiarity the most. And after that, you need to learn the like monitoring and logging. So in this scenario, what will happen? We are using two tools, either Prometheus or Grafana. So Prometheus or Grafana, both are using for the visualization and logging the metrics. Uh, so in this one, we can visualize like what is the size of the CPU, how much RAM or memory is utilized in a graph phone form. And here's the login details like we can use the Kibana, Elasticsearch. And as of now, we are keeping this security because so we are not really this one. But it's better practice to use this type of security in our by creating the DevOps pipeline. So currently our machine is sitting in Solarview, which is for security. It's in type of like SSH or HTTPS is missing. So that thing is detected in this. After that, you need to understand the IAM management. Like it uses for authentication and authorizations that some of the users having view permissions. So we read and write permissions. So according to that, we need to understand read and write permission by using this IAM. And after that, you need to just create the get hands-on project with by using by using all these concepts I mentioned over here. And Sapna, this not recommended. And here the chat GPS recommended like it will take around 10 12 months. But what I personally believe, if you are coming from the IK background, then it probably takes 2 or 3 months next to next learn all these things. So we will move ahead in the next videos of learn this roadmap for the DevOps. I hope this works for all of you. If any further suggestions, you can put down into the comment sections. Please for watching.